streets here are empty. All the people went home. Well, I was just wondering if you're alone. So how have you been lately? I hear you're a little down. And do you think maybe I could come around?
I could be someone you need, wrap you in blankets on dark winter nights, be our best confidant, be the right compliment. I could be someone you need.
We had coffee on 3rd Street and talked for a time. I still have your letter, I know every line. I hope this ain't coming from way out of the blue, 'cause I got to thinking and I thought of you.
I could be someone you need, keep you from burning in the hot summer sun, roll you in clover, a coat for your shoulder. I could be someone you need.
You need someone there when the world isn't fair. It's all just too good to be true. Someone to care for you, issue a dare to you. When the moment comes, you need to fly, fly.
I could be someone